Before we proceed, we need to get some free feminine styled stock photos, okay? Because remember, the users in Pinterest, they like feminine photos. So let's just go get some feminine styled stock photos, okay? So don't worry, these are free. Okay, so first let's go to Google and type free feminine styled stock photos, okay? And you will see here the article by Twins Mommy, 18 places for free girly and styled stock photos. Okay, so just click that. Okay, this is the article by Twins Mommy. Okay, and then scroll down, and these are her recommendations for free feminine styled stock photos. Okay, so here we have Hotte stock. Okay, so here we have Rikita Nicole, but this one is not working anymore, so let's just skip here to Hotte stock. Okay, so let's click here the link. Okay, let's go to the Hotte stock website to get our free photos, and then click here get a free sample. Okay, and then there will be a pop-up, and then put your email, and then click given to me. Okay, so now let's go to our email. Okay, and let's see the okay, so here you can see the email by Hotte Chocolate, and just open that, and then just click this, yes, subscribe me to the list, and then you will be redirected to the photos. Okay, so now here are the photos. Click to download your free images. Just download this. Okay, these are the stock photos, free stock photos. Just download this. Okay, so now we can try the other recommendations. Okay, Wonderfell is also good. Okay, so now let's go to Wonderfell website. So just click here and sign up for her list to access the 10 free photos. Okay, so let's, and also we also like Boss Latina. Okay, I tried it. It's nice photos. And Wonderlust. Okay, so let's go again to Wonderlust. Okay, so let's just sign up for the to get the free feminine stud stock photos. Okay, just click this, get the photos, and then put your name and put your email. Okay, click download now. Okay, and then let's go to the Wonderlust website. Okay, and again sign up for the free photos. Just scroll down and then click this, grab your free stock photos. Okay, just put your email again, and then click hand over the photos. Okay, just wait for that. Okay, so now let's go to our email, and you will see here there's the email. Here are your free stock photos. Click download now. Okay, so just repeat that for the rest of the list here. Okay, Twins Mommy, there's 18 places for girly and styled stock photos. Okay, there's just repeat that, and you can see here these are the stock photos that I downloaded. Okay, you can see in Pinterest there are a lot of pins with this style. Okay, so see you in the next video.